bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Ensure that FaceTime is active and configured correctly on your iPhone. Check that your Apple Watch and iPhone are connected to the internet. Confirm your Apple ID and contact details are appropriately set up in FaceTime. Lastly, verify that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off and your watch is updated to the latest software version.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.